Welcome to the Geek Easy. Sit back, grab a libation of your choice, and relax, 'cause it's time to do some geek stuff in the Geek Easy. Welcome to the Geek Easy, fellow geeks. Came home to find 3 packages in the mail today. Boy, they shoved those things into my box, into the little, one of those little apartment mailbox things, but they're not going to be ruined, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you what they are. All individually packed. So, here's the first one. Bingo. They're all from the same place, so I don't see why they didn't just put it all into one, but okay, here is the first one. This one is uberly cool. Turn on the light here so you can see him a little bit better. There's that one. That one is pretty awesome. I like this. Okay. And we have Lebanese. Knee. Okay. It's just this one, black with just the regular symbol on there. That's kind of cool. And G. I wonder if you can figure out what the third one is. Let's see. Boom. And there you go. Let's pop this thing up. And it is my... let's find it right here. Top. Where's the top? Where's the top? Where's the top? My Batfleck. BVS Justice League shirt inspired by Frank Miller. That's it. And they actually got here early because I ordered it. And of course, did my Batman and that. I ordered them and they said 2 of them were going to be here Thursday. 1 of them was going to be Friday. And of course, they got here Monday, which was awesome. So I can wear them to pick up my DC comics on Tuesday and the regular comics on Wednesday. But anyway, let me know what you think. Anybody have any? So that's 4 shirts, Batman shirts for me. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and most of all, enjoy your comics and your comics related shirts.